What's going on, family? We're the Grease Monkey here. So what we got going on today, New Year's Eve, we don't really have a whole lot of work going on right now. So the most current project is this 57 Bel Air behind me. It's LT1 with LT4 blower, a couple of odds and ends, little trick stuff we got going on with it. We ain't gonna tell y'all everything, but we got tubular arms going on, bell brakes all the way around, 4 9-inch going in the back, full fuel system. It's pretty much a whole build, vintage air going in it, everything. So that's pretty much all we got going on as of right now. It's kind of slow motion until we get really ready for show season. So right now we're trying to finish up, like some projects here and there, like little odds and ends stuff. So yeah, huge shout out to all our sponsors. Like I said, it's getting bad brakes, quick performance rear end, Holly tank, Holly fuel pumps. It's a Wagner setup on this. So yeah, huge shout out to all our sponsors. We couldn't do this without y'all. So yeah, please continue to like, share, and subscribe for all our latest videos and for y'all to keep in touch with what we got going on. And hey, we appreciate y'all.